So the piece I chose for my portfolio is called Organic, and it was taken in 2017. So I didn't really choose to create this piece. It's more of part of my line of work that I'm doing right now is just to provoke the viewers to question the validity of a seemingly ordinary form and thereby question the creator and its environment. So I always take ordinary items from my life to do that. And in this case, I chose eggs just because I love cooking and I love baking, and it's a big part of my life. So eggs are a big part of that, and I thought that would be a fun thing to play with. So that's kind of how I approached the making of this piece as well. I just visualized um, a set of like uncracked eggs in the carton at the grocery store, and I thought to myself, how can I transform our normal perception of a dozen eggs to where people begin to question its validity? And I want people to get to notice the subtle nuances that we sometimes overlook in our everyday lives rather than the overt changes. So the aspect of this piece that satisfied my intention was pretty much everything, just because it turned out exactly how I envisioned it to look, because I wanted a pristine looking set of egg yolks in a carton with a label on it, with packaging so that it would look super shiny and perfect, that you wouldn't think it was an egg yolk. You would think that it was just normal eggs in the grocery store until you see that it's an egg yolk and you're like, wait a minute, what's going on here? I don't understand. If I had to change anything, it would just be in the arrangement of the yolks, because on the top left hand corner you can kind of see the paper towel that I used underneath to prop it up to make sure that the egg yolks popped out more. And on the bottom right hand corner, you can see that the egg yolk is sinking in a little bit just because it had popped when I tried to move it around. I had already gotten a pretty good image and that I was pretty happy with. So